Senior year is over, it's done, it's clipped. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. If you've never seen me before, in today's video you guys are gonna see me get graduation ready. That's right. As of yesterday, I finished all 18 credits, well, my last 18 credits of college. Senior year is over, it's done, it's clipped, and I finally have earned my bachelor's degree. I am completely finished with college. I'm being mad extra. It was just like, it's like a breath of fresh air. Like, I mean, I know real life hasn't started yet, and then like when it does, I'm probably gonna be like, whoa. But as of now, I'm lit, I'm excited, and I'm getting ready to graduate. So today's video, we're just gonna be getting graduation ready. I'm headed to Shan right now. Yes, I did put edge control in my hair today. I know I tell you guys, like, I hate putting edge control in my hair when I know somebody's about to do it, because I just feel like that's just rude. But I actually had stuff I had to do today, so I did have to like do something with my hair. Anyways, I'm headed to Shan. We are gonna do a closure. I've never had a closure before. I'm used to frontal, so I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I know how she does, and I know that whatever she does looks good, so I'm here for it. I'm gonna get my hair done, decorate my graduation cap, show you guys what I'm gonna wear, and you'll see the video. So if you guys wanna see me get graduation ready, then keep watching. At the salon, finally gonna get a closure for the first time. I'm nervous because I never had one before, but Shan always, I'm over here like, but Shan always comes through. You guys always see it in all the videos, so I'm gonna just trust the process. And yeah, you guys will see it, and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
So basically what I'm doing right here is I pull out just a tad bit so we're not pulling back tension on your edges.
Save my edges.
Correct. And then essentially this is baby hair here.
Yeah.
I'm not pulling your edges back. I'm one of those, you cannot blame me.
Right. Right.
Not my fault.
Hey guys.
Oil.
It's just vitamin C oil.
Just some oil just to keep it moisturized. Nothing super
because you don't want no dry scalp.
Correct.
Dry hair.
Well, yeah, dry ends. So I put it on the ends first, and then after that, I massage them to the ends, and then after that, when I'm done, I go through and I put it in the cracks, which seeps through all the hair. Right? Mm-hmm.
Now to pluck the closure.
I'm just lightly plucking it, nothing too serious. I'm just trying to just define the part just a little bit.
Right.
Phone number. I did an email. Okay, good email. I gotta update that.
Ooh.
You know I'm not good with the baby hairs like you, Zaria.
Hey y'all, so I'm back and my hair is done. Shan did her thing as per usual. I've never had a closure before, but like, I'm kind of feeling this. This is cute. Period. Let me show you guys how long it is. I hope that was enough for you guys to see how long it is, but it is 28 inches and it's the same hair that I wore to Miami. If you guys saw the like get vacation ready with me video that I posted not too long ago, this is the same hair except I went and got a closure for it. Never had a closure before until now, but as per usual, Shan did her thing, and I like it. It's cute. Anyway, so moving on, next order of business in order to get me ready for my graduation is decorating my cap. This is too bland for me, okay? Like, this ain't gonna cut it. I decided to do this like so last minute. I literally graduate in 2 days, so yeah. Okay, disclaimer, I don't know how to draw, and I don't know how to paint, and I don't know how to really do anything of that nature. So I decided that I was gonna just use an app. So this is actually a picture of me that I turned into, you'll see. This is like an old picture of me, and I literally just used an app to make it look like some sort of drawing or painting. And then I used Photoshop to place a cap onto me, and voila, we have a me. So yeah, I'm gonna get my little work area set up, and then I'm gonna flip my camera so that you can get a better view of what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and I'm praying that it comes out amazing. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, y'all, graduation cap is done and I'm feeling it. It's so cute. I really had no idea it was gonna come out this nice. So I'm like super excited. Yeah, so today's the day. I'm just gonna get into my makeup now. I already did one eye because I had no idea what I was gonna do for my makeup. So I kind of was just like, let me just play around and figure out what I want to do before I start recording. So yeah, one eye's done, my eyebrows are done, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did on this side. So first, I'm just gonna get some tape and place that under my eye just to keep everything nice and neat. I really did not need this big of a piece of tape. First, I'm gonna go into this ColourPop Brown Sugar palette. I'm gonna go into this color first, J Mocha. Guys, it's been so long since I've done any eye makeup. Like, I literally haven't worn eyeshadow in months. Next, I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use this orange shade right here, just because everybody loves a warm, neutral look. Okay, now I'm going back into the Brown Sugar palette and I'm gonna use this color right here called Chalk. And I'm gonna put that in my crease underneath the orange. Okay, once I'm done that, I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna cut my crease. This is also the concealer that I used to prime my eyes before I started doing my eyeshadow, and I'm here for it. Like, best drugstore concealer ever, okay? Okay, now I'm going back to this light brown shade J Mocha from the ColourPop Karuchi palette. I'm just gonna put it on my outer. And now I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm gonna use this reddish brown color right here. Fuego. It's in Fuego. I know Fuego means fire, so I'm gonna guess that N means on fire. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm just gonna put that into this corner right here. Now I'm going back into the ColourPop palette, that light brown color that I used in the beginning, and just adding it to my eyelid. This is totally not the right brush to be using on my eyelid, but ask me if I care. Okay, now I have a flat brush. I mean, I've been had one, but I just picked one up so I can do the inner corner of my lid, I guess you would call it. And I'm gonna use this color Ginger from the ColourPop palette. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced in the shade Butter Pecan. I definitely want this to be like full coverage because I'm gonna obviously be taking a lot of pictures. So that's why I chose this foundation, because it's definitely full coverage. Now I'm just gonna use this Bare Minerals concealer in the color Tan and go ahead and highlight under my eyes and then my chin, forehead, everything, you know. Now I'm gonna contour with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my highlight with Airspun. I actually really love this powder. It's a drugstore set-in powder, and it sets your makeup in like 2.5 seconds. Literally put it on and then take it right off, and your makeup is set. Now I'm just gonna set my contour with this CoverGirl foundation in Deep Cool. It's like a powder foundation. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry. I'm just gonna add eyeliner. This is e.l.f. Precision Liquid Eyeliner, just because I feel like it needs eyeliner. I would have done this way earlier, but like, I didn't. Okay, so I finished my eyeliner and I added some mascara, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some highlighter. So this is the Nefertiti highlighter by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna put that on my cheekbones, nose, forehead, you know, y'all know how it goes. Okay, so I finished my highlight, added some lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. This is just like a lip pencil from the beauty supply store. It's a brown one. Honestly, don't know what brand or color this is, but just any brown lip liner. Now I'm gonna go over it with Cherish by MAC, just a nude lipstick. Okay, I actually want it to be like a little bit lighter of a nude, so I'm gonna go over it with this Sephora lipstick. This is what it looks like, but when I look at the bottom, I don't see any color name or anything, but that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over this lipstick. And now I'm gonna go over it with Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow Lip Gloss. Okay, you guys, that is it. This is the finished makeup look for my graduation. I hope you guys loved it. Now we're gonna move on to clothes. Okay, you guys, switching to the voiceover. So this is what I'm gonna wear to graduation. Fun fact about this dress, I actually picked it out my senior year of high school, and this is the dress that I wore for my high school graduation. I decided why not wear it again for my college graduation 4 years later. So yes, this is the exact same dress. Still fits the exact same. And yeah, so I'm super excited to wear it. And then for my shoes, I decided to wear these shoes that I got from Forever 21. They're a nice marble detail. Just thought it was a really cute pairing with the dress. All right, you guys, so that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys absolutely loved it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I really want you guys to comment what was your favorite part of the video. Do you like these kinds of videos? This is a little bit longer than what I usually post on YouTube, so I just want to see what you guys think about that. And yeah, I believe that's all I have to say, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.